Over this. Take a look. So again, potassium. I need 3 of these to cancel out with my 1 nitride. My formula is K3N. Potassium nitride. Name your cation, name your anion. Now, I need 2 aluminums and 3 sulfates. So your formula becomes Al2SO4 3. Name your cation here. Aluminum. Aluminum. Name your anion. It tells you. Sulfate. 2 rules. Name your cation, name your anion. Now, look at the next one. Copper 1. What does this Roman numeral indicate? It indicates the oxidation state +1. Take a look at the next one. Roman numeral 2. What oxidation state do you have? +2. The Roman numeral tells you the oxidation state that your metal has. So, how many +1s, copper +1s, do I need to cancel out with my chloride? 1 and 1. Your formula? CuCl. What's the name? Copper 1 chloride. Well, take a look at the next one. I have Cu +2 and I have Cl -1. How many chlorides do I need? I need 1 copper. I need 2 chlorides. So your formula is CuCl2. Now, the name copper 2 chloride. What would happen if I took the Roman numerals out of both of those names? It would be the same name. Look at the formulas though. Are the formulas the same? No, I have 2 totally different compounds. So I actually have to include those Roman numerals to indicate which compound I have. Copper 1 chloride indicates +1 for copper. Copper 2 chloride indicates +2 oxidation state for copper. Copper is what we call a multivalent metal. If we look at the main group metals, such as anything in group 1, we know the oxidation state's what? Group 1 metals have what oxidation state? +1. Group 2, +2. Those main group metals have a pattern for their oxidation states. When we get to the transition metals, however, it's not so clear-cut. A lot of them have multiple oxidation states. That's what we call multivalent metals. All right, take a look at the next one. Magnesium fluoride. What did I not give you here? The oxidation states. So, here's a different type of question. You guys actually have to reference it on the periodic table before you go through it. Magnesium. It has what oxidation state? +2. What about fluoride? -1. So, how many of each do I need? 1 magnesium, 2 fluorides. What's your formula? MgF2. What's your name? Name your cation, name your anion. Magnesium fluoride. All right, what about the next one? What's your oxidation state for lead 4? +4. What about sulfide? -2. So how many of each do you need? 1 lead, 2 sulfides. What's your formula? Pb is lead, S2.
What if you don't know Roman numerals?
That is a problem. You do need to know Roman numerals.
Up to what number?
Yeah, so Roman numerals, take a look. Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 after 5 is 6. 2 after 5 is 7. 8. 10 is X. 1 before 10 is 9. I don't think you'll get anything beyond that. So there's your Roman numerals.
Hold on.
I'm holding.
Okay, I didn't go to church, so I don't really know.
All right. Let's do one more before moving on. Aluminum sulfide. Aluminum, what's the oxidation state? +3. Sulfide, -2. How many of each do you need? 2 aluminums, 3 sulfides. What's your formula? Al2S3. What's your name? Name your cation, aluminum. Name your anion, sulfide.